Well, I was doing really good on my bicycle ride. I get here and I look at my watch and it's and it's stopped. It's not working. It showed I only went 8 miles. So I had to discard that, start another session. So it'll be on the way back. My backup has a fit file that I can utilize, add to it. Oh, look at that Mustang. Hey, come get. Well, I heard it from all the way over here. All right, so needless to say, I think my average speed on my backup was 14.9 miles an hour average. So if I maintain a good pace back, it'll be all right. But yeah, every now and then this watch does that. Ain't got nothing else to say. Well, I made it to the church sign. Like I said, I dropped data off my Garmin watch, but I got this backup right here, and it'll do just fine. It ain't stopped a beat. They just don't have heart rate data, but that's all right. I can do without that. Garbage truck behind me. I know I heard something. All right. On my post on my Facebook page is real good stuff. So when you go to my, not Facebook, YouTube, it's the post button. Yeah. Click that button and you'll see some real interesting things. If you go to my X page, you'll see some real interesting things. Usually from other people. I'm not getting too complicated with what I do no more. There's other people knows how to talk about consciousness and the shifting of this timeline way better than I do. I'm just like riding the wave of what is and not resisting any of it. It's okay. It's all out of our control, period. But sometimes it's best to just be quiet, and meditate, exercise, eat right, and enjoy the show, because it ain't gonna get no better anytime sooner. The type of stuff they're trying to peddle for truth is showing up. It said in the Word that every dirty deed would be shouted from the rooftop. And then it says somewhere a little right after that, I, your Father, I am, will open up your window in heaven, and out of it will blow blessings beyond your compare. Money is not being totally blessed. Totally blessed is being at peace. And then an abundance of real world wealth will do a person some good. But if you give money to some of these idiots, they're going to spend it, which is meant to spend. But you got to do it all in the perfect timing of what is. Y'all have a good day.